Hey guys, Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil, and I'm out here doing my freshening up on all my plants, and that I have to come up with the admission here. Am I the only one that neglected to, clean up last year during fall? Well, I didn't necessarily neglect it. I mean, it was kind of a purpose, but it kind of became a purpose once I decided that I wasn't going to do it. But that leaves me with a very interesting benefit now, and let me show you. So, most of my plants, these are obviously just two strawberry pots, but most of my plants ended up being like these two, which is just letting the leaves die, letting them, be the ground cover for them. And like I said, it wasn't intentional at first, but then it became intentional and beneficial once it was too late. And now here I am, and I've started cleaning this one up. This one looked exactly like this one. And it dawned on me that there was a benefit of doing this. So let me show you what some of the ones I've already cleaned up, like here. See, we already got green coming back up, so they're good, and we clean these ones up, and the ones in my green stock here. So that led me to this realization: all that litter and all those leaves I have put into here, and this is from everything. And I'm going to show you another shot too of one of my self-wicking bed, and here's an example of a bed that I did not clear. So this would be before and after. Actually, I did clear this one out before the fall, but anyways, this is what it looked like. And all we have are all these roots that I'll probably just pull out because most of them are rotted anyway. But yeah, all of that compost, every single bit of it. If this was in ground, I probably wouldn't be pulling these out like this. I just cut them off at the base. But yeah, so all of this will go into the tote, and then it will go into my compost pile once I mow it over with my lawnmower. You still want to chop this stuff up just so it breaks down faster. But the point is, all of this has one thing in common: the nitrogen's gone. That's why it's brown. Well, if you don't have any leaves, say you're in a part of the country that doesn't really have fall leaves, or you've already used them for other purposes like I will, which is going to be mulching my beds, and you need browns for your compost, guess what? Yep, I have decided that I'm going to take all of this, now that it's been pulled off, and that's going to be my starter for my first hot compost pile. You should do it. I mean, it's free, and you didn't do it before, and it would have just went into compost anyways if you had cleaned out your beds. So that's what I'm going to do. These have now purposely turned into plants next year.